Welcome to Daily Epoch, your daily dose of AI news. Let's dive into today's top stories. Prime Intellect's new recursive language models boost AI agent performance on long tasks by up to 40% by letting them manage context in a Python environment and call subagents for specific work, avoiding the overload that bogs down traditional models. Tencent just dropped a tiny 2 billion parameter AI model that can process 128,000 tokens at once, beating much larger models at coding and autonomous tasks, plus an open-source framework for building AI agents that run locally on your own computer. Kuaishou just released OpenOneRec, the first open-source foundation model for generative recommendations that treats user behavior like language, converting items into special codes called itemic tokens to predict what you want next. This could democratize intelligent recommendations the same way Llama opened up large language models. SGLang just integrated Respec, making reinforcement learning training up to 4.5 times faster with speculative decoding, where a draft model predicts tokens in parallel. And they've launched Day Zero support for Qwen-Image 2512, now the #1 open-source image model. Blackbox AI just launched the first end-to-end encrypted CLI agent, so even their servers can't see your work. It also adds voice commands and major database speedups for handling huge datasets. DeepSeek's MHC architecture fixes hyperconnection stability issues by constraining residual streams with doubly stochastic matrices, which prevent gradient explosions. It trains larger models with just 7% overhead and boosts performance by up to 7%. llama.cpp just merged support for 3 new models, including Solar Open, in under 48 hours. So you can now run a 102 billion parameter AI model on consumer hardware instead of 4 data center GPUs. AMD just released AOCL-DLP 5.2, accelerating AI workloads with low-precision INT8 and BF16 matrix operations on Zen CPUs, alongside a new AOCL-FFTZ library for faster Fourier transforms in scientific computing. TeleAI just released Telechat 3 MOE, a trillion-parameter mixture of experts model trained entirely on domestic Huawei chips. Meanwhile, Baidu's QianfanHuijin beats larger competitors on finance tasks with its novel multi-stage training approach. Seoul AI Labs' SoulX-LiveTalk is a 14 billion parameter real-time avatar generator that hits 32 FPS with just 0.87 seconds of startup time. Its self-correcting bidirectional system looks both ways in time to fix errors, keeping video quality stable for hours on end. In a rare move, Apple just published a transparency report on its AI training data, confirming it uses 0 private user data and respects website opt-outs via robots.txt. Unlike rivals drowning in scraping lawsuits, Apple relies on licensed content and synthetic data to build its models. 2 new frameworks advance multi-agent AI. GRPO uses group relative reinforcement learning, meaning agents learn by comparing to teammates, hitting 74.6% pass rates at triple speed. SCP links scientific agents to over 1,600 tools. That's it for today's Daily Epic AI news. Come back tomorrow for more industry updates.